Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you have recorded a TeamViewer session and need to play back the proprietary .tvs file, I will show you exactly how to view and convert it right now. Let's get started. First, you cannot use a standard media player to watch these recordings. You must use TeamViewer itself. Open the main TeamViewer desktop application. If using the classic interface, click on Extras at the top menu and select Play or Convert Recorded Session. If using the new interface, click the hamburger menu in the top left, select Extras, and click the same playback option. Next, a standard Windows File Explorer prompt will immediately pop up on your screen. Navigate to the directory where your recording was saved, which is usually your Documents folder by default. Select the specific .tvs file you want to watch and click Open. Finally, the recording will launch in a specialized TeamViewer playback window with standard play, pause, and timeline controls. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.